Today,
it's organizing day!
Yay! Well, hello there!
Hello, increasers from all around the world.
Welcome to our
Home.
kitchen. Lumipat kami ng destination. From there to here, ang layo.
Correct, super malayo, siguro 2 yards.
2 yards.
Oh my God! We can do anything!
Kasi pagod na kami sa kakaupo. Now, I'm standing, pero nakaupo pa rin
Opo
siya.
ka din.
Oh, brother.
So yun, ano bang ginawa natin? Kasi again,
Oo.
nasa 2-week, kami, reclusion? Seclusion? Seclusion. So, we decided
Actually, this has been something that has been bothering me for about 17 years.
Sobra naman. Aray naman. Alam nyo, icfrey tamo may palo na to. So, alam nyo, icfrey stars. I wanna smell my African violets.
Could you please?
Promotion, di ba?
Anyway,
Oo,
for
yan.
17 years, we've had a disaster of a refrigerator. And so, after finally shaming Iko na konti, something has changed.
Ciao, ciao.
Uh-oh.
Ano ba ang problema natin?
The problem is, increasers, we used to have a complete disaster of a refrigerator.
Pero to be honest, kasi whenever we go shopping, we just
Throw.
dump. Okay, tapos, all of a sudden, expired na lahat. I know, icfrey stars, you experience that too. Diba? Kaya,
So that's why, increasers, we decided it was time for us to finally take control of our lives and organize this refrigerator in a way that was something that we could be proud of for ourselves and our posterity.
wow, ang haba ng speech. Basta, inorganize namin.
Correct. So
So,
earlier we went to True Value. Luckily it's open.
Sa
kasi-
Shangri-La,
Sa
no?
Shangri-La. So we went there and let's go ahead and check that out.
walang katao-tao sa Shangri-La.
At saka walang aircon.
It's hot as 3 fat bitches sitting on the equator.
Grabe, alos himatayin ako. I
Correct.
almost passed out.
Ako din.
Oo, buti na lang. Di ba? Pawis na pawis ko na nakita
I
ko.
brought
pawis na
my
pawis ka.
fan.
Pero lahat doon naka-fan. Sabi ang init-init. So, still, we were able to go to True Value.
In order to containerize our life.
O yan. Kasi nga, eto yung aming ref. Ayan, nakikita nyo sa baba. Grabe, no?
So,
It's so disorganized.
correct. But now, ladies and gentlemen, we're happy to announce that with a tiny investment and with a little bit of discipline and a label maker, you can do amazing things with your life and
Grabe,
take total control.
Lumabas ang pagiging OCD nitong isang to.
Oh,
Alam
brother.
nyo ba, excited siya to organize?
Sobra.
Oh, let's show this video of how we did it. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, boom! Tuwa-tuwa ka, no?
Oo. I'm so happy, promise.
You should have seen the smile on his face. Para siyang nanalo ng sweepstakes. Sweepstakes Lotto. Grabe.
Actually,
Tuwa-tuwa
in fairness-
isang to. Sabi ko, ano po yan?
Oo.
Parang,
If you want something that will motivate me, talk about organizing things.
You can go your own way. Go your own way.
so that's what you saw, di ba? Mag-label tayo.
So here's the final product, guys. Everything has a spot. Everything has a label. Everything is containerized. So if my amoy, then that amoy is controlled. Diba?
So we labeled everything from cheese, ek, food, ek, old food, ek,
Asparagus, ek.
pati yung mga sauce, ketchup, etc. naka-label na. So what have we accomplished, Jeffrey?
Well, actually, in a way, first of all, we have to be productive, right? So if we can't go out, then we might as well be productive where we're at, right? Like the saying goes, if life gives you lemons, make
lemonade.
Oh, yun.
Akala ko hindi ko alam yun. Akala,
Good to
as
hear.
your point, sabi niya, akala nyo, eat Freester, so look how he treats me.
So our lemonade was organizing for today. So
Like what we always say, so we are restricted to go out. So the best way to do is look around in the four corners of your home, and trust me, you'll find something to do.
and something productive dapat. Don't watch TV lang.
Ikaw yun eh. Ikaw yun.
So
Sa kanya,
after watching this video and liking it and subscribing, how about you turn off YouTube and go do something productive?
Start organizing your stuff, closet, whatever, so that you'll be productive. Para paglabas nyo ng bahay on the 20th, wow, you feel fulfilled.
And fresh. And life has meaning.
So yeah, congratulations, icfrey, ha?
Congratulations.
Congratulations. A job
In
well
fairness. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Ano ba yan? Panay saying. Feeling
So,
talaga.
Increasers, thanks for watching this episode. Please check us out again if you'd like by subscribing, liking this video, and why don't you comment below, share with us some of the things
Saka
you're
yung
doing.
yung bell, ha, so that you'll get notified every time we have a new video.
Correct. And until then, don't forget to stay
Icfrey, cool!